All right. Hey, what's up? It's Chris. I'm about to do a quick demo of the music system that we have for the game. So basically, we have the timeline, which houses all the actual audio files. I have the 2D version, 3D version. I try to color code, at least for the music I did. Purple is 3D, blue is 2D. We have different sections. So we have the regular Explorer music, and this is marked by this loop region right here. We have the boss fight loop, but there's a boss fight intro right here. Then there's a options menu, little beat, and then there's a player dead music as well. And so I'll just go ahead and uh, actually I'll walk you through here. So you have the 2D, 3D parameter, and it's a shift, and this is based on this right here. And you'll see, so here's a 3D and 2D beat. Right now it's set to 3, 2, 3, 2. There you go. So that's essentially how that works. And within the parameter itself, I set the range between 2 and 3. Begin on 3. All right. I made a similar version to that, just based on the ability to crossfade between, so it's a range instead of absolute numbers. I believe it's integers. Let's look. So 2 to 3, start with 2, and it's continuous. Yeah, so it's between 2 and 3. Didn't use it, but it's there. And then game states. It's another parameter I made, and so I just use a labeled. So you just have to type these in, and to make Unity talk, you put it in the code, and it'll call these specific game states for the sound bank from Fmod. So we have game start menu. We just use the options menu for that, I guess. But options menu, explore mode, where you're just flying, boss fight. When the player's life begins low between, I'll show you how I set that up, and then player dead. So these are the states that the game could be in potentially that I thought about, and then player life. So we have player life state, so discrete, range between 0 and 10. 0 meaning the player's life bar is at 100, and 10 being the player's life bar is at 0, beginning at 100. All right, and so yeah, that's what we got right here. So just to demonstrate, we'll just play through it a little bit, and we'll just start with the game start, and I'll switch through different things. So 3D, 2D. All right, so this is the options menu music. It's got a kind of a background music kind of thing. That's the 2D version. All right, back to the 3D version. What else we got? So it's the Explorer, boss fight. So it's gonna take you to the intro. So this right here was sent by this boss fight, and boss fight's gonna take you to this intro. So the destination said to boss intro for this right here. And same thing for options menu, destination to options menu, and player dead to player dead. And that's the player dead. So I assume that we won't keep the player here very long, but probably go from player dead to options, and I did put in transition regions to take it back to either boss fight, explorer, or to menu. So, all right, that's pretty much how that works. And that also works for a player's life as well, I believe. Oh, no, it doesn't. I know why it didn't. Player dead. Set to 10. No, that's right. Anyways, I gotta figure that one out. But anyway, this video is gonna be long. So I'll show you in the next video the shoot audio system, as well as the ambience in another video as well. Ambience audio system. So these are all systems based on parameters. All right.